What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today is the day I finally got my hands on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and here it is. This is the S10 Plus. So as you can see, I've already taken everything out of the box that comes with this phone. Now, right out of the box, phone came with 67% on it. It is on my Samsung fast charger as we speak. So let's talk about some of the other things that we got in this box. Our USB Type-C charging cable right here. We got our fast charging brick, as if I don't have enough of these laying around already. You get a USB A to C adapter. So you can plug this in the bottom of your phone and use plug and play with mouse support, keyboards, etc. And then we get these wonderful headphones tuned by AKG. Nice headphones. I've had a set of these before. I don't really use these too much, but they're great sounding headphones. They don't stick in my ear very well, and they still come with 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Take note, Apple. We still got the headphone jack over here with Samsung. Set all that to the side. Now, let's talk about this phone just a little bit before we actually get it turned on. So they did send it out with screen protector on it. I've been waiting to do this all day long. Plastic off. Smooth back. Now, most people on YouTube did order this white variant. And let me tell you why. The back is this nice iridescent pearl white. Iridescence is the ability to change colors depending on which way the light is going to hit it. So this color, white, is not going to pick up fingerprints as easily as those other colors will. You're hardly going to notice fingerprints on this phone, so that's why most people picked it. Now, you see, it's taking a little while to read on this wireless charger. There we go. Finally picked it up. But wireless charging is a go, is on deck. It is fast wireless charging. Now, let's talk about the actual phone itself before we get it turned on. Power button is over here. It's I noticed people talking about the height of the button. It's up there, but I have a good sized hand. Volume rockers over here. Dedicated Bixby button is right here on the side. You're not gonna have to worry about that. SIM tray, micro SD card slot up top, ready to go. We got speakers, charging port, everything we need down bottom, and that's all a go as well. Everything looks good, everything matches up. Now we got this nice 6.4 inch Infinity OLED display right here. We're gonna go ahead and get it turned on, get some animations going, and boom, there we go. Galaxy S10 Plus is coming on. So for this unboxing, I just wanted to do a couple of things. I've shown you everything that actually comes in the box. Now I have my fingerprint, everything put in here. Let's see how easy it is to work this thing. Boom, it opened up just like that. I'm gonna turn it back off, open up. Now it still has this thin screen protector that Samsung gave me with it on there. I haven't customized anything yet. Just wanted to show you guys how fingerprint sensor actually works, how it's really smooth, really easy to use, and then wireless charging, everything is a go with that. Boom, there we go. We get fast wireless charging with our Samsung chargers. And the next thing I want to actually try out is the ability to be able to charge another device on the back of this. So the reverse wireless charging. So we're going to go ahead and try out the wireless power sharing. So there's actually something you have to do. Go in settings, hit that little button, turn that on, lay your device down. Boom. Power sharing does work. It's a go out of the box. We got it good. Now remember, every time you want to use that power sharing, you got to come into your settings and you got to tap this power sharing button. Now, where we've talked about the screen, which we know we have a edge-to-edge infinity display. This display is going to be one of the best that you can get on a phone right now. Initial impressions out of the box, I don't have any issues with the hole punch. I like that rather than a notch up top. Form factor feels good in the hand. Everything looks really good. Power button, I know people did complain about it. Like I said, it's not up too high. It really feels good in the hand. Volume buttons are over here. Bixby button, like I said. We got our SIM tray up top. Fingerprint embedded right into the screen, just like that. You're going to be able to wake it up. You actually got a raise to wake on here. There we go. And then we just put our finger right there in the middle. And it works every time. Now, I did have a little hesitation on that last one. Maybe I didn't have my finger in the right spot, but it worked perfectly that time. Got your nice white. I do have some fingerprints, but like I said, with that white, you're hardly going to be able to see those fingerprints when you put them on there. We got a huge battery on here. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, you skipped out on specs. That's going to be in my full review. Like I said, I'm not doing all the detailed specs. I'm going to tell you the screen is really good. I'm going to tell you that it has a 6.4 inch display. I'm going to tell you that it looks really nice and it feels good in the hand. But for my next video, my full review, I'm going to use it for a few days. I'm going to take my SIM card out. I've been using my Note 8 still, so I'm still rocking Note 8. I'm going to take my SIM card out. I'm going to pop it in. I'm going to be using this for the next few days. Then I'm going to come back with a full review, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel about this beautiful beast of a device. There we go. This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm going to be bringing you a lot more videos. We're going to do some case videos. We're going to do some reviews. We're going to do some comparisons between this and iPhone. Just stay tuned to this channel. Please be sure and subscribe. Give me that big thumbs up. Till next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.